friends, today we're going to start the topic grade 1 notes in treble clef and bass clef. I have done these videos in my Hindi language, but now I'm doing it in English, so the more people can get the benefit of it. Before I start the video, I would like to have a request from you guys that try to watch the videos online, don't download them, as that gonna help me out to grow my channel. And if I can grow my channel, definitely I can help out more people by providing the more videos and everyone. So I request you to please watch it online. Okay, so let's start without wasting your time. We have already done the stave and all those things. So here you can see this middle C, the ledger line before the treble clef. So that's the, you can see, and before the note, a note before the ledger line is B, and above also, the first ledger line above that is also B. So let's straight away move next. So this is the formula to remember your notes on treble clef: every, green, bus, drives, fast, and face. So this is the best way to remember the notes on your treble clef. Yes, so try to remember them. So revise them 2 minutes and then you can move to the next exercise, first exercise. So here we can see we have to write down the notes, so we can, let's do it. So this is the fourth space, and that means this is E. This is your second space, that means this is A. This is your fourth line, this is D. This is the note before the ledger line is B. This is your fifth line, that means this is F. Second line, this is your G. Third line, this is your B. Fourth space, that is your E. Okay, and this is the ledger line above the treble clef, this is your A. Okay. Next we have, this is the note above the fifth line, so this is your G. This is the ledger line before the treble clef, so this is middle C. This is your third space, so that is your C. This is the note above the ledger line above the treble clef, so this is your B. Fifth line, this is your F. The note before the first line is D. First line is E. Fourth line is D. First space is F, and this note is again B note. Yeah, let's move ahead. So we have to now write 2 Ds. They have given the example, write 2 Ds. Now we have to write 2 Bs. So let's make first B, let's make this. Okay, second we can go ahead. So this A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A is a ledger line and B above is B. Okay, now we have to make 2 C's. So first C we know is the ledger line, middle C, and the third space is C. 2 different E's, we know the first line is every, E, and the fourth space of face is E. Okay, let's do the bass clef now. So again, in the bass clef, you can look over here. Again, you can read down all these notes. The middle C is above the first ledger line above the bass clef. Remember that. Formula for this is also, you can see the green, bus, drives, fast, always. And this one, all, cow, or you can write cars, let's say cars, eat, gas. Or you can write all cow eat grass. So whatever you feel comfortable in, make a sentence according to yourself to remember the formula, the notes on the stave. Let's go. So bass clef, let's find, this is the note before it, so this will be your G, F, E, D. This is your fourth line, that is your F. This is your second space, this is C. Fourth space, this is your G. first space is A, second line is B, third line is D, fourth space is G, and this is your D. Here again, this is the middle C, this is your A, this is your D, that's your F, this is your F, G, this is your A, that's your E, and this is your E, and that is your B. Okay, let's move. Now you can see two G's given here, so now to make two C's, so one C is here, the middle C, the legend line above, and the second space. Two A's, first is let's make here on the fifth line, and second is your first space. Two F's, let's make, one F is your fourth line, and other one could be here, this is F. Okay, let's go ahead. Now we have to make down the notes. So this is your A, this is your C, and that is your E. Here we come, this is your F. Remember the formula, E, this is your E, this is your D. Here B, that is your A, G, your G, this is A, that's your G, and this is your E. Next we go, that is your B, A, G, your E, D, G, this is your E. Second space C, A, G, E. Here we have your second space C, A, B, B, A, G, and E. Go ahead. We have to put down the names now. Okay, notes here. So D, we can make D here. E, first line, fourth space, let's fourth line. B, you can put here. E, let's take fourth space. A, let's do second space. D, let's do fourth line. F, let's make first space. A, second space. C, third space. E, fourth space. A, first space. G is your fourth space. E would be your third space. See, you can see this line I have made slightly longer. Some of the stems are longer, so don't worry about that. Understand the concept. Don't think that, oh, this make them longer and all. So this is just to make you understand this. Yeah. So I hope you have understood all the notes on both the clefs. If not, practice them, read them, remember the formula, and then practice them on your own. Okay. You will, if you still have any doubts, you let me know. Give your message in the comment section, so I'll try to help you out over there. Okay, then till then, see you. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.